All right, I'm gonna try and keep the video going here if I can. You see all the hard stuff in here? That stuff that's just been tore apart in there. So here we go. That's part one. That is one of the pieces here. If you can see it goodly. There you go. Now let's see what's all broke up. See the little plastic things here that they got that's supposed to stay together? They don't. So I'm gonna rebuild some, refab and make my own out of steel. So let me wipe my hands. My phone gonna be all greasy up. Don't want it all greased up, you know what I mean? So yeah, look at all that crap in there. So this is all broke, and that's what keep it from turning, you know, so that the windows can operate. So let me get it all cleaned up here, and I'll go and show you some more later.